Hi there, my name is Adam Hutchinson. I work for the Orange County Water District, and I'm also a volunteer member of GRA's Awards Committee. Every year, the Awards Committee receives multiple nominations for awards, and we carefully review them. And this year, I am proud to present the Kevin J. Neese Award, established in 1999 to honor the late GRA director, geologist, and attorney. This award recognizes a recent significant accomplishment by a person, persons, or entity that fosters the understanding, development, protection, and management of groundwater. This year, GRA is proud to present the award to the Water Replenishment District of Southern California for its Albert Robles Center for Water, Recycling, and Environmental Learning, or ARC. This facility is located on a 5-acre site in the city of Pico Rivera. It includes the state-of-the-art advanced water treatment facility, a fully digital learning center, and a water-efficient demonstration garden. Innovative technologies in the advanced water treatment purification facility take tertiary treated source water from the LA County Sanitation District and purify it using a proven 3-step process. This facility produces 10,000 acre-feet of water per year, which is then used to replenish the regional groundwater basin. This new source of recharge prevents the loss of water to the ocean and also reduces the region's reliance on imported water supply. So with that introduction, I am proud to hand it off to the WRD to receive the award. Thank you.
WRD is honored to receive the Kevin J. Neese Award for our Albert Robles Center for Water Recycling and Environmental Learning, or ARC for short.
ARC is the cornerstone project of WRD's Water Independence Now program, which for the last 15 years we've sought to create a locally sustainable water supply for groundwater recharge. Groundwater in WRD's 420 square mile service area provides half of our drinking water for 4 million residents living in southern Los Angeles County. The completion of ARC marks the final step of WRD's transition to a fully sustainable, locally secured water supply for groundwater replenishment and increases the region's resilience to drought.
We would like to thank GRA and the Awards Committee for selecting our project for this prestigious award. We would also like to thank our partners who helped make this possible, including the Los Angeles County Sanitation Districts and Public Works, as well as our wonderful design and construction team with Tetra Tech and JF Shea Construction. We would also like to recognize the support we received from the community, as well as local, state, and federal legislators. The ARC facility was designed with input from the community and benefited from the support of several stakeholders. We are grateful to their contributions. Lastly, we would like to commend WRD's team of talented water professionals who worked diligently to bring this incredible project online.
Imagine a future where our water supply is fully locally sustainable and helps the region become more resilient against drought. That future is here today in Pico Rivera. Welcome to ARC, the Albert Robles Center for Water Recycling and Environmental Learning. This state-of-the-art facility is part of the Water Replenishment District's Water Independence Now program, allowing WRD to become completely independent of imported water from Northern California for groundwater replenishment. This new advanced water treatment facility will purify approximately 3.25 billion gallons of recycled water each year. ARC allows WRD to replenish the groundwater that provides half of the total water supply for 4 million people in WRD service area, which includes 43 cities within 420 square miles. But ARC is more than just an advanced water treatment facility. It's also the only water education center in LA County that focuses on groundwater management and recycled water.
that pipe flows straight to the ocean.
Every aspect of the 5-acre site has been designed to show how important it is to preserve Earth's most precious resource, water. With over 45 fully digital exhibits, the ARC Environmental Learning Center is an immersive, dynamic learning environment with interactive installations about water conservation and WRD's role in groundwater management through the use of recycled water technologies. Solar panels power the entirety of the Education Center, making ARC a truly sustainable model for education and building. The efficient management of water, energy, and waste at ARC has earned it the distinction of being LEED Platinum certified, the highest rating available from the U.S. Green Building Council. The Lillian Kawasaki demonstration gardens are a living exhibit of water-efficient plant ecologies that include California native and drought-tolerant species, along with a 1,200 square foot butterfly garden. One of the most unique features of the demonstration gardens is the 250-foot-long model of the San Gabriel River, complete with a working rubber dam, infiltration basins, and ocean outfall. This dynamic water feature demonstrates how water moves through the San Gabriel River and is diverted into the LA County spreading grounds for groundwater replenishment purposes. ARC is more than the cornerstone of WRD's initiatives towards water independence. It's also a living model for a sustainable water future. For more information about ARC and its role in securing our water future today, please visit WRD.org.
Hello folks, welcome to this video conference call on the WRD Albert Robles Center, for ARC for short. My name is Ted Johnson. I'm an Assistant General Manager here at WRD, and I'm also a Director Emeritus of the Groundwater Resources Association of California. So I want to give a special shout out to my fellow directors on the GRA board and retired board members. It's really a pleasure to be with you today. I should mention to you though that I'm a bit of a novice on the Zoom conference calls, so I'm a host of this, and if I mess it up, please bear with me. It looks like I can see we've got a number of people on the call today, so that's good. If any of you have questions that you'd like to ask about our ARC facility, just enter them into your chat box and I'll try to read those out. I have WRD staff available to answer these questions. They're on the call as well. And although we're all in separate locations because we are practicing physical distancing due to the pandemic, we're all going to be very careful and be very safe. And so we'll just get to them at their remote locations. All right, so the first question is, if I can see, what initiated this project? And I'd like Robb Whitaker, our general manager, to answer this. And he's in a remote location because we're all practicing social distancing due to this pandemic. Robb?
Hey, over here. Up here. Hey there, up here. Thanks, you can never be too careful these days. When WRD developed its Water Independence Now, or WIN program, we knew we needed more recycled water. And we needed a plant that would be upstream of the spreading grounds where we needed that water and downstream of the treatment plant, which is the source water for our treatment plant. So we were fortunate that we were able to find this piece of property right on the San Gabriel River that's right in between those two facilities. And we take water from a pipeline that already exists that goes down the San Gabriel River, treat that water, put it back in, and it goes to the spreading grounds.
Sorry, I was on mute, everybody. Okay, that's better. Sorry about that. So thanks again, Robb. Good job. Our next question is, can you describe the treatment process at ARC and where the treated water goes? I'd like to have Fong Watson, our senior engineer, to take this one.
Tertiary recycled water from a 66-inch pipeline is diverted into an underground 3 million gallon tank that's located beneath the gardens. The water first runs through the ultrafiltration system, which you see behind me, and then it runs through the reverse osmosis system, and then ultimately gets treated with the ultraviolet light with advanced oxidation. Do I hear a dog barking? Anyways, once the water is fully treated, it gets put back in the 66-inch pipeline. It gets delivered to the spreading grounds where it's infiltrated for groundwater replenishment purposes. Back to you, Ted. Ted? Ted?
Sorry, Fong. Sorry about that. I didn't know you were done. And it was Lobo. He barked a little bit earlier. He was hungry. Anyways, my bad. Listen, okay, so I got another question here. It says, can people taste the water produced by ARC? Monica or Lyndsey, can you take that one, please?
Yes, here in the tasting room, right after it's been treated. Right, Lyndsey?
Definitely. And once we open back up, we'd love to have you come join us.
I hear it's refreshing.
Cheers.
Wow, it really is refreshing.
Yes, I feel like a whole new person.
Wow, you two look amazing. That's high quality H2O. I've got to get some of that. Really? But, that's enough about me. Sorry. I'm just going to go on to the next question. It says, what do the beautiful demonstration gardens demonstrate? Jen, can you please take that one?
That's a wonderful question. Here in the Lillian Kawasaki Demonstration Gardens, we're showing visitors different examples of low-impact development and sustainable landscaping. We've got stormwater capture features and low-flow drip irrigation, but I have to say the star of the show is a California native, drought-tolerant plants that create a wonderful habitat for pollinators such as hummingbirds and butterflies. So with the water savings outdoors and the energy and waste efficiencies indoors, ARC has been awarded the distinction of being LEED Platinum certified. And we're really excited to have this distinction because only 5% of LEED certified buildings in the USA have that honor. Back to you, Ted.
All right, beautiful gardens, Jen. Thanks for sharing. Okay, we've got one last question here. It says, what's your favorite exhibit in the ARC Learning Center? Lyndsey, can you please take this one?
Thank you, Ted. That's a great but very difficult question. If I had to choose my favorite exhibit would be the recharge wall. So we got this Roscoe Moss production well casing. Look, I'm in the well, out of the well. Now we can learn about the basins, right? We've got aquifers, we got aquichards, we can learn about wells, different types. But before that, actually my favorite exhibit, come this way, you really need to learn how to manage the basin. So you can actually play a game here, water levels drop, you recharge. Oh, but actually before that one, my favorite exhibit, one more, come this way. Okay, so this one really is my favorite exhibit. Here we learn about what aquifers are made of and how groundwater moves faster through coarser sediments than fine sediments. Really important for understanding groundwater flow. Oh, but wait, actually there's one more exhibit. Just this one's my favorite. Come this way. So this one really is my favorite. Here, you can make it rain, and then you learn what happens when rain falls onto a city and how groundwater makes it into the ground. Very important for recharge. Oh, actually, wait, come with me. There's just one more. I really like this one. Come this way.
Hey, Lyndsey, sorry about that. We have to cut you off. Great exhibits, though. To be honest, I didn't pay for the extended time on Zoom. So we're about to run out of time. So I'm just going to say thank you to everybody for logging in today. I hope you had some great questions, and thanks to WRD staff for providing some great answers. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm signing off. So goodbye, everybody. Okay, Lobo, I think it's off. Let's go for a walk, okay? Go for a walk? Yeah, let's go. Come on, Lobo. Let's go for a walk. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.